Okay everyone, so welcome to our next Farm of Life vlog. We are going to the waterfall, yeah?
Yeah. Going to Nayaca.
And it's Dana's birthday. Happy birthday!
Dana, big 5-0.
So we just came down this trail and we're going that way. It's about a 20-minute walk. As you can well imagine, all waterfalls are at the bottom of a very steep hill. They're at the bottom of the gorges, so this through the stairs coming down to Nayaca. This is the easiest waterfall to access in our area because it's nicely maintained with these steps and handrails, and the hike is really not very far. It's about 20 minutes on the way in. The way out, of course, is all uphill, about more like 30-minute walk out. How about that?
Step down here and walk.
Oh my God, we have it all to ourselves. Aren't we lucky?
How's it going, Farm of Life family? Here we are at Nayaca. A guest, a tourist, a couple weeks ago told me that in National Geographic, he read that this waterfall right here, Nayaca, is one of the top 10 waterfalls in the world. That's right. I can't 100% confirm that. I got to look that up. But if I can find that in National Geographic, I'll be real excited because this is a magical, magical spot. And I wouldn't doubt that it is because it's absolutely splendid. Check it out.
Can you see the huskies? Okay. All right, let's go for a swim together. The mermaid rock there. You ready? Swimming in that awesome water, you get to sit on these black hot rocks and soak up the sun and the warmth. It feels fantastic. Our guests enjoying themselves. There's Brian.
I love this place.
Yeah, it's awesome. So we're gonna open a watermelon and have a nice snack here on the rocks. Caesar! Say hi to your fan club. Say hi to your fan club.
Caesar almost made it all the way out there.
You see the upper falls? These are the upper falls. We don't usually come up here, but it's really quite scenic. And that is where the water plunges to the lower falls where we just spent the afternoon. So we no longer have this place all to ourselves. Several tour groups have arrived. And lots of people here now. So one of them, the Tico guys, Tico is our word for the local Costa Ricans. They take their guests up halfway up the waterfall to jump. All right, one more is about to go.